Good morning, Kylie. Say good morning.
Good morning.
No, not Miss Brooks. Everybody. Say good morning, everybody.
Good morning, everybody.
What are you working on?
I'm working on my homework.
Ooh, what are those?
This is the body, this is the ears, this is the feet, and this is the
Tail.
tail, and this is the nose, and this is the head.
Oh, what are you going to do with all those different shapes?
A cat.
You're going to make a cat out of all those shapes? Can you tell me what shapes you have?
Triangles, rectangles, more rectangles, more triangles, circle.
A circle. And which shape is going to be the body? Oh, what shape is that?
Rectangle.
Oh, a big rectangle. Are you excited to make a cat?
Yeah.
Okay, let's do it. Let's see. The head. Do you remember what color the head is going to be?
Orange.
Orange. All right. You got an orange marker to make that head orange?
Inside 2 bags.
2 bags. Craziness. Ooh, that's a nice dark orange, huh?
Oh, and I need black.
Black, okay. But that's like the last part, yeah?
Black is for the face.
To make the face, except the nose.
Yeah, except the nose. Because we already have the nose.
Okay, and the nose is going to be red. What it shows. You can make it a different color if you want to. If you had a cat, what would you name your cat?
I don't know.
You don't know? What about if you...
Hermosita.
What?
Hermosita.
Hermosita? And what if you had a dog? What would you name a dog?
Chato.
Chato. Chato, Chato.
I have a cat. I have a cat right now. I had 2 cats.
You had 2 cats, and what happened?
And one cat went, and now we don't know where he is.
So now we just have 1 cat left, and what's that cat's name?
Fushy Fush.
Fishy Foosh. Oi.
And I will name my cat Fushy Fush, and I had a dog named Chato.
Okay. All right, we'll check back in with you later and see how your cat turned out, okay?
Okay.
All right. Ciao.